Here's my project, Adafruit IO portals. I make air monitoring system dashboard. Here's my setup, Arduino Nano, and this is the Wi-Fi module, node MCU, smoke sensor, DHT sensor, monitor temperature and humidity, and here is the dust sensor, dust density monitoring system. I got real values, 46 humidity, 23 degrees temperature, and test particles as smoke indicators. This is my original value here. Real time values on my Arduino IDE. Okay, when my temperature increase from desired conditions, then I receive the buzzer beep. My friend, please I read the values. When I hit my sensor, the dial increasing temperatures. When my temperature increase from 45 degrees C, then buzzer beep